How to make big and bold text using the Discord mobile application. Do you want to make your text stand out and grab everyone's attention? In this video, we'll show you exactly how to make big text on Discord mobile, allowing you to express yourself in bold and eye-catching ways. The process is the same for both iOS and Android devices, so let's start. The first step is to make sure that your Discord application is updated. Go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and make sure that Discord is up to date. The next step is to open the Discord app and go to your conversations or wherever you want. If I send the text in a regular way, you'll see that it's gonna look normal. But if you want to make it big and bold, all you have to do is to add a hashtag and then a space, and then you can write your text. So hashtag, hit the space bar one time and then start typing. It will look normal at first, but when you send it, it's gonna look big and bold. And that's how you can make your text big in the Discord mobile application. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.